Hello friends, we have completed the sketcher in CATIA. I hope you have done the required practice on that, and in case of any query you can reach us in the comment box. We will be solving the required queries. If you have observed something while entering into the sketcher environment, there are some options available. We will see that. Today we will go for that comparison. Then we will be starting the part design environment. So start mechanical design sketcher, I will go same manner, and when I go for the selecting the sketch tool, then I have one more option available, which is in the sketcher sub toolbar. Now you can see I have two options available to enter into the sketcher environment. First one is the sketch, another one is positioned sketch. We will clear the difference between these two. First, the sketch. I'll simply select the sketch tool and select a plane. I'll be able to enter into the sketcher environment. But when I go for positioned sketch, I will select positioned sketch. So you can see I have this sketch positioning dialog box available. In this dialog box, I can have selection of a planar support, an origin, as well as I can maintain the orientation. Planar support, yes, I will be selecting planar face, plane or sketch. So for planar support, say I am selecting the plane. As soon as I select the plane, by default it will define origin at 0, 0 and it will give me the orientation. You can see this is horizontal, this is vertical, it is showing. Okay. Origin, if needed, then I can change it by part origin, projection point, intersection of two lines. That particular point I'll need to select where I want the origin for the sketch. Similarly, I can change the orientation as well. Currently the orientation is like this: horizontal this side, vertical this side for the sketched plane. Now if I want to change, I can change it from here. We have these three options available. I can reverse the horizontal, you can see. I can reverse the vertical as well, and I can swap these two. So these options are also available. So if you want to change the orientation, yes, you will be able to change it. Let's say I'm changing the orientation to this. Now just observe how you get the plane. You can see in the negative y direction, this is my horizontal axis now. So I can manage the orientation as per my own convenience when I use the tool of positioned sketch. It will allow me to define the origin as per my own convenience. It will also allow me to define the orientation as per my own convenience, and it will be helpful when you will be working with the feature based modeling, because when you apply feature by feature, sketch option will by default select the orientation defined in the software, but positioned sketch or sketch positioning will allow you to orient your features, orient your part as per your own requirement, so that it will be easy for you to create the sketches. We will be discussing this when we will solve some of the examples. Also, my personal advice to you is to prefer using sketch positioning or positioned sketch option while entering into the sketcher environment. It will be a good practice for you, because yes, it will not create any kind of difference in the environment, but when you will enter, you will be able to define the orientation as per your own requirements. I'll say okay. Now I have the same sketcher environment. There is no such difference. All the toolbars are same, everything is same. The difference is with the orientation. I can maintain my orientation of the sketch as per my requirements. This was all about sketch and positioned sketch. I hope it is clear to all of you.